I think when all is said and done, I will like this cup immensely, but right now, I'm not feeling the love as much, you know? Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. It is Halloween 2022. Tim Holtz Ranger has released their Halloween 2022 special Distressed Mica Stains, and I got some, and we are going to put them on a tumbler. You may notice a little yellow coloring up here. This is a 30-ounce skinny spray painted matte white. I tried spraying some of this directly onto the paint, thinking that would be kind of cool, because this is what the colors look like when they're sprayed on. You see the shimmer and the color. But what happens on the matte surface is it just beads up and falls off. So that would be very unexciting to watch me spray these on and then have them beat up and fall off. So I wiped it off. I'm going to put resin on here, and then we are going to spray them onto the resin and see what happens. The colors we have are Harvest Moon, Burning Ember, and Iron Gate, Fortune Teller, Wicked Elixir, and Decayed. So it should be very Halloween, very spooky and creepy. That's what I'm hoping for. So sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, look at what we got. This is so cool. Now, I know I say this a lot because I do a lot of experimenting, and I know some of this stuff looks really bizarre from what you might expect on a Resin Tumbler channel. So once again, I'm going to say, in all honesty, that this will not be everybody's cup of tea, but I think it looks really cool. And I also think it looks very Halloween, which, I mean, it makes sense because that's what we were using, were the Tim Holtz Halloween Mica Stains. Specifically, I think it looks like Halloween. So I'm going to do a couple of things here in terms of a decal, actually a bunch of decals. It's going to be something of a mishmash. We'll call it a Monster Mash cup because I think that's really appropriate, don't you? I have these graphics printed out. I have the Nito brand printable vinyl. I'm just going to start placing my monsters. That leaves a lot of space. Okay, I'll be honest, I've been trying to think of something to do with this, with the space up here and the space down here. I've tried a bunch of different things. I'm not even going to bother showing them. They were so stupid and awful looking. So I am going to go with more stickers. This is going to be a really dark and grungy Halloween sticker tumbler. And I probably don't sound very excited about that because I had such high hopes, but it's just, oh my God, what a mess this has been. I know you haven't seen it, but I have spent hours and hours and hours and hours trying to figure out what to do with this tumbler.